The ironing room has a sink, some paper towels, some soap, and two ironing boards, mirror, and a fold. But anyway, this is on deck 15, right across from room 393. So that'd be 15393. Let's go see if the rest of them look the same. Ironing room number 2, same setup, sink, 2 ironing boards, 2 irons. Yeah, this is on deck 14 across from 396. This is on the even side. 396, so it'll be 14396. Deck 9, right across from 394 on the even side. Same setup, 2 irons, 2 boards, and the sink. Right across from 394 on deck 9. Sink, it's got a wall here. You walk into the back, and once again you got the 2 set up kind of in the back corner. So this is right across from 390 on the even side on deck 5. So a little different setup, but exactly the same things on the inside. Okay, deck 5, right across from 390. So, all right, last one. This is deck 4, across from 320. That would be 320 on the even side. Same setup as before. 2 ironing boards, 2 irons, and a sink. So yeah, that's what you have on the Carnival Jubilee. You don't have any washrooms like you do on some of the other ships. You have ironing, but that is it.